All right, so if you were following along yesterday, we painted the block. She's looking pretty good. Yeah, I'll get the tape off of there, the masking and everything, and see how she looks. The real reason I got you out in the garage today is to take a look at what showed up by FedEx today. Got some Ram Air 3 exhaust manifolds. So these should provide considerably better flow than the stock. Looks like the exhaust ports are in the same spot on these, so I shouldn't have to change my exhaust at all, which I am extremely pleased about. Little concerned, I see a little bit of looks like oxidation right here. These weren't brand new. I got a really good deal on them though. So we'll see how they turn out. I have a treatment that I bought that I can put on these. I might try that. I think it's supposed to go onto bare metal, but I think if I clean these up, put that on there, we'll give it a try. I mean, they're just exhaust manifolds. I mean, those they almost always are rusty looking unless you have them wrapped or have some really expensive ones. But these should be a huge improvement over what I've had. All right, so that really was supposed to be the end of that video. But after I got these, I went ahead and wire brushed them and put the coating on them. And they turned out so nice that I thought, you know, should try cleaning up these old ones. Yes, these were the rusty ones that you saw sitting on the table next to the replacement ones. And boy, did they turn out nice. So this coating is called Calyx, C-A-L-Y-X. It comes in a little container like this. And you put it on with toothbrush from the guest bathroom. And it just rubs on. And it just soaks in, and you're supposed to, put them on the car and get them up to temperature. You can do this while they're on the car, but you're supposed to do them when they're cold and then heat them up afterwards. It gives off a non-toxic fume, so I'm thinking I might go ahead and bake these in the oven, just so that it's baked on a little bit before I put them on the car. Won't be these, it'll be the other ones. But I'll probably bake these too, and then I'll sell them. Because these are perfectly good original manifolds. There's no cracks or nothing in them. I just wanted to go with a different style. So, yeah, wow, look at the difference, night and day. All right, anyway, I really want to say thanks to all my new subscribers. I'm almost up to 400 subscribers now. It's pretty amazing here in the last week. Again, thanks for liking the videos. Watching them all the way through, all that little stuff helps. I'll keep working on giving you updates on the car. But I just thought I wanted to show everybody this stuff. Again, it's called Calyx. And I want to say I got it from either NPD or OPGI. I don't remember. But the stuff is a treatment. And I used on both manifolds. Let me open this up real quick. I used maybe half of it to treat both sets of manifolds. Like that's what it looks like. It's just kind of like a paste, and you just put it on with the brush. It goes on kind of thick. You got to spread it out. But it does a really good job. I wire brush these really good. You don't want to get any flaking rust off of there, obviously. But you can just, wire brush it down. And look at that. It looks like brand new. Absolutely amazing. So anyway, you guys have a great day, and see you in the next video.